Hi everyone, welcome to the Wizard YouTube channel. Today, we'll discuss how to add Tidal content to your Plex music library even after Tidal shuts down on Plex. Let's get started. Well, Tidal integrates with Plex so that Plex users can enjoy Tidal music and service directly on Plex. If you have a Tidal subscription, you can add Tidal content here and keep track of your favorite music. However, the integration will end on October 28, 2024. That means Tidal functionality will be turned off for Plex users. Besides, from September 26, 2024, Tidal subscription billed through Plex will no longer be renewed. That means the subscription will expire and you'll lose access to the Tidal service 1 month after your last renewal. Now, you may have many questions. But the most crucial one is, how can I add Tidal content on Plex again? The solution is pretty easy. All you need are 2 applications, the Plex Media Server and Wizard Tidal Music Converter. I put the links in the description, don't forget to check it. When you've installed the apps on your computer, launch the converter first to download Tidal content. First of all, let's set up the output preferences by clicking the settings bar. You can change the location of the output folder and also the tags for categorization. Under the conversion column, you can set up the output formats, channel sample rate, and bit rate as you like. After you've confirmed the output settings, we can move to the next step. Now let's go to the Tidal app and search the songs you want to download. To add music tracks to the Tidal Music Converter, you'd copy the link of the tracks. And you can see that the converter will automatically recognize the links you have copied. You can also copy the link to the entire album or playlist. Before downloading, make sure you haven't missed any songs and that the file address where the songs are saved is correct. When you're all set, click on the Convert button in the lower right corner. The Tidal music tracks will now start to download. When the download is complete, a red dot will appear above the list icon at the bottom. Click on that. The Tidal tracks are downloaded to the designated folders. Now, go to the Plex Media Server and log into the account. Choose your device connected to the Plex. If you haven't added anything, it'll show you an option to manage libraries. Click it. Then choose Add Library. Select the music icon, and continue the setup by tapping the Next button. Here, you need to navigate to the folders where you saved your Tidal music content. Click Add to confirm. Plex will now add the music to your library in a second. Once done, you can see that the content is successfully added to the Plex music library. Wizard preserves the ID3 tags of the Tidal music, so you don't have to add the metadata information manually, which saves a lot of your time. Now, you can listen to your favorite Tidal music on Plex again even after the integration shut down. If you'd like to download lossless Tidal music and add it to Plex, give Wizard a look and try it for free. That's all for today's video. Thanks for your watching.